nurse Hagar, using hands to bring together to restrain the gushing water. Blessed is the distressed mother. Had she left Zamzam water up to go, it would have become an abundant flow. There are only 21 meters that separate the Kaaba from the well of Zamzam. The mouth of the well lies underneath the Mataf area, parallel to the Black Stone. It has two springs from which pure water issues forth, one from the Kaaba direction and the other from Abu Qubay's Mount and the Hell of Safas. That venerable well is ever clean, having no moss, insects, fungi, or other unusual water contaminators. By the grace of God, Zamzam's fresh water continues to outflow at 11 liters per second as minimum rate and 18.5 liters per second as maximum. The amazing thing is that such a prolific well is only 31 meters deep underneath the Kaaba diameter. Gabriel stepped hither. Then the great well gushed, superior to all other, a miracle to stay forever, reviving the old tradition. With a water so pure, drinking it is a devotion, and to body and soul is a cure. A blessing from the merciful God. And the prophet blessed it even more. With a touch of his mouth, and his heart was wherewith washed. It's a divine gift to the devout, never failing nor drying out. Feeling hungry? Be its guest. Its oft-drinker suffers no hunger nor thirst. O Zamzam, what a wonderful